What's up, everybody? It's your boy Bobby G, and we got another video lined up for you today in the series, S25 Ultra series. And today we're gonna go through, and y'all gonna come with me as we install this UltraGlass screen protector. This can be found on Amazon. It's one I've used actually for many of my phones. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get the phone to the side and get this opened up. As always, y'all, be safe when you're using a knife. And I'm gonna show y'all how easy it is, or not easy it is, or not, to install a screen protector. Okay, so let's see if we can do this in 5 minutes or less. From opening it, look, I'm struggling already. From opening it to getting it installed on the device. Okay, so what do you get inside of here? Let's put it out. Okay, inside the box, this is gonna be the spare screen protector right here. So keep this in this package. It's gonna have the spare screen protector and also the wipes and stuff to clean your screen. Here's your holder / installer. And I may have totally just lied to you guys and said that that replacement screen was in here. Just kidding. That is actually going to be just the kits for installing your screen protector. So we need one of these kits for today. I apologize, that was a lie. So you're gonna get the kit for both screen protectors. So it comes with 2 screen protectors for the price. Your kit right here, your holder. Your replacement or secondary screen is going to be right here. Let's see what else is under here. Here's your squeegees for getting out the bumps. And again, your replacement screen protector right there. So again, 2 for the price of 1. This is actually a pretty good brand. I've used them quite a bit. I've actually used this on every single phone that I've had. They're one of my go-tos now. But I'm also going to order another screen protector from D brand just to see how it goes. All right, so let's go through this. Okay, I'm kind of seasoned, if I do say so myself. So we're just gonna do this 1, 2, 3 process, okay? So step one is our wet wipe treatment. This is where we're gonna give our phone a bath. This is a brand new phone. It shouldn't have any dirt on it. Like, I don't know, from the factory. We're just gonna go through all the steps. Crap, I'm already at 2 minutes, so let me put some moves on this. So step 1, clean your screen on your phone. Again, we're trying to do all this in 5 minutes or less. Step 1, clean your screen. Toss that to the side. Step 2, I'm doing this off the cuff, okay? I'm not following any rules here. Pretty sure step 2 is dry the screen. So clean the screen, dry the screen. I got a number 3 on this big sticker. So step 3 is, I'm gonna assume, get any dust off your phone. I do have a step 4 sticker, so I'm gonna do this all with step 3. Now, we're gonna put this on top of our phone. And I think this is what I messed up on my other phone last time. So let's get that lined up. Let's get this on here. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, I believe you, what was it? Where did I mess up last time? I think you hold it from.
Yo, what you doing watching this video and you ain't subscribed? Come on, hit that like, hit that comment, hit that subscribe button. You know, like 90% of y'all is just watching this video, you ain't even subscribed. Come on.
Look, I think it's from the sides, okay? All right, I totally didn't look up a video to figure out what I need to do, right? Okay, I totally didn't do that. But it says basically once you get this frame on there, it says squeeze the sides. I'm not really sure why it says squeeze the sides, but basically we're gonna hold on to this frame from the sides. We're gonna pull down. Allow it 30 seconds to adhere. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y'all get the idea? Okay, now that we waited 30 seconds, it now says that, or oops, I'm doing this off of the cuff. Nobody told me that, right? But the directions would say now you take off the screen protector from it being secured to the cradle. We lift the cradle off, move it to the side. And now that we've got that done, we should be able to lift this top off. And voila, we got our screen protector installed. Whew. I think that went over 5 minutes. My bad, y'all. Again, I'm kind of rusty. Haven't done this in a while. But there you have it, okay? This is, again, let me bring this in the screen so you guys can see. This is the UltraGlass screen protector. This can be found on Amazon. I'm going to link it for y'all. Do not worry. Yes, you're going to lose that anti-reflective coating on your phone. But these are actually some pretty solid protectors. I'll give y'all like a different angle there. So you can see it does pick up the glare, but it's nice. And to be honest, it actually went on with, I don't see any bubbles. So, hey, kudos there. Looks good, tastes good, smell good. All right, it's your boy Bobby G. I'm going to end the video. Thanks for checking it out with me. Again, if y'all want to purchase this, just do me a huge favor. Use my affiliate links. No cost to you, but it helps out the channel, okay, y'all? Good luck. See you on the flip side. It's your boy Bobby G.